Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own application like ChatGPT. The application we are going to code in this video will be the console-based application. Well, if you want to take your skills to the next level, you can also add your TK Intel and also the Flask, like I say in most of my videos. In this video, you will basically learn how you can make your own dialogue dataset and you can train your own chatbot on the same dataset, and how you can make a Python code that is basically creating a dataset. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So here I am on my main screen. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this folder as VS Code project. Alright, and now we will have to create the first Python file with the name code.py, which we will use to create a dataset, and then we will use that dataset to train the model. Alright, so first of all we will have to basically install some libraries. I am going to give the command pip install pandas. It is already installed, but still I am going to install for you. Yeah, it is installed. And now while it is installed, we need pandas for this file, and we will need more libraries for more code. Alright, so let's get started coding. Data, looks like it's mixed up. Data.tocsv, and now we are going to save this data in the CSV file, and I am going to give it a name chatbot dataset.csv. Alright, let's run this code. Here we got it. Chatbot dataset. Questions, response, intents. 0. What will you like to do in your free time? Okay, I got it. This is basically the index that we don't want. Let me add another line, my bad. Index equals to all. Alright, let's run it again. There we go. Questions, responses, intents. What do you like to do in your free time? I like playing X for going X and hikes mountain. It is a hobby. This is how it is saved. But you see how clean it looks over here. So it is better to do it right on VS Code and then save it in the data frame object, so you can edit it easily from here. Basically it will be trained, so trainer. And for trainer we will have to install some specific libraries. We'll use the scikit-learn. So pip install scikit-learn and another library, transformers. So now, without wasting further time, let's get started coding. Now I'm going to train the model. I have hit the run button. Alright, now the model is working perfect. It is asking me the question, how? Hi, how can I help you? You can't help me. Yeah, I like to read and watch movies. You see, it has characterized my question in the intent kind of question. Yeah, I like to watch movies. Where it is? Yeah, there it is. A hobby. Alright, I'm going to ask another question. What do you do in your free time? I enjoy playing video games, going hikes in the mountain. How about you? Next question I'm going to ask is this. I like to meditate and do yoga to relax. What about you? You see how easy it is to build our own model like ChatGPT, but if I have to make it exactly same like ChatGPT, I will just have to edit some chatbot dataset. I will have to make a best dataset possible because the AI and machine learning models basically performs better on the best dataset. If you have a good dataset and a good model, then your model is unbeatable, right? In this video, I have just made a simple model possible to make you understand how basically ChatGPT works and how other chatbots and AI tools work. Basically, they all works on a dataset. They learn from the dataset and then they give us specific responses. Hope this video was valuable for you. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll see you in the next one.